Department of Chemistry. Today I am going to take about on the topics of polymers. So on the previous sections I have already discussed about this introductions to polymers, how the polymers can be classified and how the monomers can be differentiated by the catalyst in the form of a polymers, by the monomers with the repeating units of polymers, and with this N is the number of degree of polymerization which is converting as a number of polymers. So next the polymers which I am going to talk about today is Nylon 6.6. So the nylon polymers which is has a based on this nylon, it is varieties of nylon polymers can be varied by these technologies. So here the nylon polymers which is prepared by using this adipic acid in the presence of an hexamethylenediamine in the absence of an air. So here I have using this the adipic acid and this hexamethylenediamine. So this is the preparation part with this as a catalyst of a benzyl peroxide as a catalyst to form an hexamethylenediamine. So here I have the structures which is that adipic acid and hexamethylenediamine. Hexamethylene, that is hexa which is represented by the 6. So CH2 the whole 6 and methylene NH2 and diamine. Hexamethylene and diamine in this presence with this adipic acid. Adipic acid is nothing but CH2 the whole 4, C double bond O OH and C double bond O OH. So this is in the form of an adipic acid, and with this reaction with the hexamethylenediamine. So in this it will react with this formation of a polycondensation reaction to form an adipic benzyl peroxide as a catalyst. So here the C6H5CO2 and the O2 is the process to convert the benzyl peroxide, and which reacts with this, the double bond reacts with the formation, it will convert into one single bond structures to form a nylon structures. So here the NH2 CH2 the whole 6 NH2 will react with this NH. That is the H2 molecule will remove as a water molecule. Here the one H1 molecules, and with this react with this one H1 molecule with this O2 groups, and with this again the CH2OH group will react with this removal of water. We will get the structures of NH, CH2 the whole 6 NH, which combines with C double bond O and CH2 the whole 4 C double bond O. So with this formation of the structure, the OH with one H2 group with removes as a water molecule, and again the same the H2 and the OH group will remove as a water molecules, and with the release of the two H2O molecules we will get the nylon structures, that is NH CH2 the whole 6 NH C double bond O CH2 the whole 4, which gives C double bond O, and with this repeating number of units of N. So this is the structures of the nylon 6.6. So with this formation we will get this structures, and we will have the properties by using this nylon 6.6, that is from the preparation of the nylon structures, it is a more flexible, more resistant, and it has a more mechanical properties which is compared with this other polymers. And with this nylon structures, it has a nylon fibers which is all used in this industry purpose and all in the based on this engineering plastic polymers. So plastic based on this nylon 6.6, it is a very good quality and elasticity. And with this third step, it has a softening temperature or about 260 degrees Celsius, which is maintained at this temperature. We will get the structures of nylon 6.6, but in this quality it is more rigidity and more flexible, and by using this it is a more high magnetic stir we can be used, and with this a good tensile strength it can be used by this process. And by the uses of application by in the nylon 6.6, we will have the applications related to the carpet and the garment manufacturing items, and in this plastic molding parts of machines we are using this nylon materials. And with this nylon material we will have the more types of polymers, that is crushed juice bottles and the carpet items, and which is also used in the garment items in the form of structures or the plastic molding items, and in the form of structures which is used by this nylon 6.6. So when compared to this other types of polymers, the nylon 6.6 has a more flexibles and more tensile strength and mechanical properties, and it has a more varieties of a resistance towards this polymers. Whenever we will use this polymers of rigidity using these technologies, there is some special applications inside this nylon 6.6. Thank you.